Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can fix Nintendo eShop not working on your Nintendo Switch. So first of all, there might be a time where eShop may fail to load or open due to an outage with Nintendo's servers. So first, be sure that this is not the case. You can go to Nintendo's website, and there is actually one website where you can check the online status. I will provide the link in the description where you can check if there is some maintenance work or something wrong with the servers. The second thing that you can do is pretty straightforward. You might need to reboot your Switch console. So press and hold the power button for a couple of seconds, and after that you will open this menu, go to power options, and then choose restart. If that doesn't help, go to the system settings over here, and then make sure that you have flight mode off or airplane mode, simply because you may have enabled this feature and then you forgot to turn it off. If the flight mode is off, then go to the internet and then go to internet settings. Then select your network and go to change settings. Over here you will find the DNS settings. Now, whether you were changing them or not, you may need to revert the change. So if you used manual, then you may need to turn it back to automatic, and on the other hand, if you have automatic, you may need to switch to manual and then provide the DNS. You may try this one over here that I have on my Switch, but I cannot guarantee that this one will work. If it is possible, try to use a different Wi-Fi or internet network to see if that solves the issue, since there might be also some issue with your Wi-Fi instead of your Switch. So like I said, if possible, use different Wi-Fi and then see if eShop works. While in the internet options over here, you can also try to use test connection to see if the connection is actually working fine. And then if that doesn't help, go to the system over here and then do system update. Make sure that your system is up to date, that you have the newest version. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.